Are you trying to decide between Lovable and Replit for your next digital project? You're not alone. Both platforms are gaining attention in the AI assisted development space, but they're designed for different types of users and workflows. And this video will compare their features, benefits, and limitations to help you determine which one fits your needs best. So let's start with Replit. Replit is essentially a cloud based development environment that gives coders everything they need, from writing code to deploying full stack applications, all inside a browser. There is no installation required, and users can create, test, and launch projects in one place. A standout feature is Ghostwriter, Replit's AI coding assistant. It helps users generate code, troubleshoot errors, and optimize logic as they go, making it a useful tool for beginners and experienced developers alike. For teams or educators, Replit also includes live collaboration tools. Think of it as a shared Google Doc but for code. That said, Replit isn't perfect. The browser based editor may feel limiting for those used to complex desktop IDEs. And while the AI assistance is helpful, it's not always accurate enough for production ready builds. Some deployment capabilities are also locked behind premium plans. Now on to Lovable. Lovable is built for non-technical users like designers, product teams, and startup founders who want to prototype quickly without writing code. Users can simply describe their ideas in plain language, and Lovable AI transforms that into a functioning front-end preview. It's a powerful tool for fast UI ideation and integrates smoothly with tools like Figma, allowing users to generate live code from static designed files. Lovable also excels at automated code improvement. It explains the changes it makes and adjusts layouts or components with minimal effort from the user. However, it does come with some limits. Lovable backend support is basic, and complex logic or full stack features often require moving to a more technical platform. Also, not all UI elements are fully interactive out of the box. So here's how the two platforms stack up. Livable is ideal for rapid prototyping, especially for those with little or no coding background. It uses a conversational interface to turn ideas into visuals and code. Replit, on the other hand, is geared towards developers who want control over their code, debugging, and deployment. It supports full customization and advanced programming logic. Both platforms offer split screen views for chat and code previews, free usage tiers with limitation, and AI support. But Replit provides hosting and version control, while Lovable focuses more on speed and simplicity. So, which one should you choose? Go with Lovable if your priority is fast visual prototyping without touching code. Choose Replit if you need a robust development environment with full coding and deployment capabilities. For hybrid workflows, consider starting in Lovable to visualize the concept, then moving to Replit for building and refining the final product. Both Lovable and Replit are pushing the boundaries of AI in an app development. Both the right platform depends on whether you want to write code or describe what you need. If this breakdown helped you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech comparisons and app reviews. I'll see you in the next video.